Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of the Next.js, and in this tutorial we will be looking at the use form status. So in the previous tutorial we have seen how to use the server actions, and over here we will be looking into how to make use of the form status. So this is my form over here, which is basically to take the post and content of it. So now when I click on the submit, you will even see the pending status and the like completed status. Okay, so it is submitting, and once it has been submitted, it is again reverting back to submit, and the content is also getting cleared out. So over here, when it was in the pending state, that time pending status was true, and after that it was false. Okay, so over here I am again doing it. Just see, right now status is true, now it is false. Okay, so let me just show you how this is working. So this is basically the previous code only. So this is the form which we have already seen previously, which is taking the title and the post content over here, and then there is this submit button. Okay, so when it comes to the submit button is yet another component which I've created over here. Okay, so this is the submit button, which is also the client side component. And also I'm having this action.js where we have already seen previously how to declare the server actions. I've created this function called a create post to send my post to this particular URL. Okay, so basically this is my action over here, and this is my page where I'm having this form, and then I have this submit button. Okay, so in this submit button, what am I doing when the status is pending? When I am submitting the post, right? Submitting the post, that time, now see, this button was disabled, it was grayed out. Okay, because it was in the pending state, it was sending the data to the DB, it was grayed out. So this is the kind of animation we want to see during the we want to show during the login and all, or whenever we are submitting some data to the DB. Okay, so this actually gives good look to the UI, and it is also mandatory to disable the button when it is sending the data or carrying out some operation, so that user is not hitting it over again and again, because multiple API calls will be happening. If suppose, consider the case where we want to carry out some operation to the DB, but if suppose database is down or something else happened like network issue and all, how the user will know that there is some issue going on in the background? User will keep on hitting this button, right? We should avoid that. So for that purpose, during the pending state, we have to disable this button, and we can do that with the help of the form status. Okay, so basically the form status we are importing from the React DOM. Okay, I'll say import form status. Then I want to make use of the pending status from this form status. Okay, so I'll say I will declare the constant pending is equal to use form status, and I have also given the print of this pending status in the console. Now when I am submitting, see, we are also seeing either true, and after it is turning into false. That means the pending state first, so it was true, and after some time it turned to false. Okay, so over here, what we have to do, whenever we are hitting that submit button, we have to disable it when the pending state is true. Okay, so disable attribute, we have to assign the pending value to it, and it automatically do its magic. And we have the classes over here to change the style. Okay, so when the form is in the pending state, I am turning the background into gray color, and I'm also disabling it from this uh, attribute disable. Okay, and when the pending state is false, then I am turning the background into blue, and I can hover also, and when I'll be hovering on it, it is also like showing some different color over here, as can be seen. Okay, so this is the style what I'm applying. So basically when the form submission in the pending state, I'll be showing this particular text which is saying submitting, and once it is false, I'll show submit. Okay, so this is how this code is working. This is all about how to make use of the pending status to show the text change of the submit button, or how to disable it when the form is under submission, or or under the process. Okay, so this is all about how to make use of the form status, guys. Thanks for watching.